Hi everyone, for today's iPhone app review, we're taking a look at Sky Patrol, and essentially Sky Patrol has the same kind of gameplay you might see in a game like Zuma or Puzzloop, Ballistic, Luxor, all those kinds of games, where essentially you're shooting a ball, trying to hit balls of the same color and then make them disappear to get them out of the line before they get to a big hole, which would be a disaster. So that part of the game is going to be very familiar to you. As you can see, the balls move around on the screen and you need to shoot at them. Now, what's a little different here is there will be a section of balls that are grouped together in a cluster, and once you get rid of all those, essentially it disables the quote-unquote machine that's sending the balls out. So if you do that, then it quickly becomes easier to defeat the level. Now, one minor issue with the control of the game, as you can see, as you're moving your finger, you're actually covering over the ball, and you can't see the color. You have to rely on the laser beam that comes out for the color, which can be a little bit more difficult to tell which color you're dealing with. And also, it can get confusing because when you take your finger up to look at what color the ball is, then sometimes when you put your finger back down, you shoot the ball before you want to. Additionally, you'll notice that you have these little extra coins that drop down. You want to collect those, and then you can get extra firepower, etc. in between levels. So that's one of the differences with this game than some of those other games that are out there. If the interface was just a little bit different, maybe if your finger sat below where the ball actually is down there to be launched, make it a little easier to play. But otherwise, it's the same kind of action you're used to with these same kind of games where you're trying to hit the balls of the same color to remove them from the playing field. For thedigital lifestyle.tv, I'm Ryan Ritchie.